Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. All of you are welcome to an Abir Home School. This is Abir Hossain Khan, assistant teacher in mathematics at day shift of National Ideal English Mission School. Today I am going to take mathematics class 4, class 1. And our today's topic is ascending order part 1, and our today's lecture 9 and HW number 9. You have to submit your HW on campus at next Saturday. Now let's go to start our class. Here is a question. Arrange the following numbers as ascending orders. Ascending orders. My dear students, first of all we have to know what is ascending orders. Ascending orders means the arrange some numbers from smaller to bigger. From smaller to bigger. This is ascending order. Smaller to bigger. First of all, here some numbers 1589, 628, 1809, 1012 and 2000. First of all, you have to find which one is smaller. Here is 1000 plus 1, ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Here is ones, tens, hundred. Here is ones, tens, 100,000, 1 tens, 100,000, 1 tens, 100,000. So here is 3 digits, that means ones, tens and hundreds. So 628 is smallest among these numbers. Now which on the next one? Here is 1500. Here is 1800. Here is 1000 and here is 2000. So here is next one will be 1012. 1012 is the next smaller number. Now which one? Again 1500, 1800 and 20,000. So here it is 1500 is the next smaller number, 1589. Now which one? 1800 and 200, here it will be 1809, and the last one here it is 2000. Now 620 is the 28 is the smallest number and 2000 is the biggest number. My dear students, hope you understood how can we find ascending numbers from some numbers. Practice it at your home more and more. Abide by your parents. See you soon, and till then, Allah Hafiz.